You can see here we've got core inflation, CPI, we've got core CPI over here, and core inflation rates as well. These are the numbers that we need to be checking and we need to be monitoring. If the consensus number or the actual number that happens is higher than consensus and previous, then this is an inflationary market, and you can expect the US, the Fed, to increase interest rates. If they increase the interest rates, then what happens is that institutions and retail traders will invest their funds into the dollar because there is no holding cost on the dollar, and people will get a higher interest on their money. If you're trading XAU USD, then you can expect the price to drop if the numbers increase. If the numbers decrease, you can expect your USD pairs, anything USD based, to go up.